My name is Abul Hassan. I'm Dean for School of Advanced Manufacturing and Engineering Technology. Greenville Technology College is in South Carolina, and it's about 11,000 students.
Here at Greenville Tech in Mechanical Engineering Technology, we have an assortment of classes because mechanical engineering is a jack-of-all-trades type of field. When I got here back in the mid-1990s, I had a member on our advisory committee that worked at Staubli, and over the next couple years we worked together to have Staubli donate a robot to us, and from there we built a robot manufacturing cell around the robot.
It's a great opportunity for students to see what real robots look like and to be able to get their hands on that type of technology and understand how is this going to interface with a programmable controller and how do we put all this, what we talk about as automation, and what does it really look like. It really bumps up the level of education.
Nowadays in industry, everything is done by robots. And so students, especially the technicians that are graduating, needs to know a lot about robots and how they work, what are their functions, how to control them. And so I think this gives a hands-on experience to the students who would be working in the industry.
The best feedback I get is from students who've graduated and come back and tell us their story. The students who've said, I landed this great job with company XYZ because of my experience with the robot here.